Please like and subscribe my channel. Audi released the e-tron GT prototype in December 2023, and it is expected to be available for purchase in the latter half of 2024. There is not much information available on the official design of the exterior and interior since Audi did not allow testers to discuss these aspects. However, based on spy shots and test driver videos, here's what we know so far. It appears there might be some confusion. The information you found applies to the Audi e-tron GT, a different model than the Audi Q6 e-tron prototype coming in 2025. Here's what we know about the Q6 e-tron prototype. There isn't enough information for a full review of the 2025 Audi e-tron prototype since it's not yet released. However, based on leaked information and speculations, here's what we can share absolutely. Here's what we know about the unreleased 2025 Audi e-tron prototype, focusing on interior, exterior, price, and sources. Look for videos on YouTube channels like Abd Cars Review or Cars Latest that discuss the 2025 Audi e-tron prototype. Articles on websites like Motor Trend might cover the prototype reveal or speculation closer to the release date. The 2025 Audi e-tron prototype hasn't been released yet, so there are no comprehensive reviews available. However, we can gather insights from leaks and speculations. The 2025 Audi e-tron prototype is stirring excitement, but with its unreleased status, details are still emerging. Here's a quick rundown of what we know. The 2025 Audi e-tron prototype is generating a lot of interest as a potential leader in the luxury electric sedan market. Here's a consolidated view of what we know so far, keeping in mind it hasn't been released yet. The 2025 Audi e-tron prototype is a tantalizing glimpse into the future of Audi's electric sedans, but with its yet-to-be-released status, specifics are still under wraps. Here's a tight summary. Luxury electric powerhouse, likely. Leaks paint a picture of a luxurious electric sedan experience, potentially rivaling established players. Technology takes center stage with rumors of a triple-screen setup and a cutting-edge augmented reality head-up display possibility. Overall impression. This prototype hints at a future Audi electric sedan focused on luxury and technology. Expect a potentially class-leading interior with a focus on sustainability and high-quality materials. The sleek, aerodynamic design likely takes inspiration from the Audi Grand Sphere concept car. Review. There aren't any official reviews yet since the car isn't available for purchase. However, you can find videos on YouTube with journalists getting a first look and sharing their impressions on the prototype. Exterior. There will likely be some minor design changes compared to the 2022 model, but overall, the silhouette will remain similar. Expect updated front and rear ends. Opens in a new window. www.autotext.com 2025 Audi e-tron GT prototype. Exterior. Interior. Similar to the exterior, there are no confirmed details about the interior design. However, informed speculation suggests upgrades to the infotainment system and a focus on a more premium feel. Opens in a new window. www.carscoops.com 2025 Audi e-tron GT prototype. Interior. Performance test drivers were not allowed to disclose specific figures, but there are talks of a power boost over the 2022 model's 637 horsepower. The most significant update is the new active suspension system with 4 individually adjustable dampers. This will improve handling and ride quality. Price. No official pricing has been announced, but considering the upgrades, expect the 2025 e-tron GT to start at a slightly higher price point than the 2022 model, which began around $102,000. Here are some sources that discuss the 2025 Audi e-tron GT prototype. First drive, 2025 Audi e-tron GT prototype. The 2025 Audi RS e-tron GT Performance will be a new flagship driving new Audi RS e-tron GT prototype 2025 in Oman. Fast acceleration. Keep in mind. Look for videos on YouTube channels like Abd Cars Review or Cars Latest with journalists discussing the prototype. Search 2025 Audi e-tron prototype first look. Websites like Motor Trend might cover the prototype reveal or speculation closer to the release date.